Thanks for joining us. We're Owl Labs, and we're here today to show you the Meeting Owl line of products. Owl Labs' mission is to bring teams together for better work. And today, more than 20,000 companies are using the Meeting Owl in their conference rooms to do just that. This experience you've got right now is not a Meeting Owl, but it's a pretty standard conference room setup that we see a lot. We've got a webcam mounted on top of a TV, looking at the whole room. But it's got a couple drawbacks. First, I'm here having an intense debate with Sophia. You're looking at the back of my head. You don't understand what I'm feeling. You can't even see my face. Another common problem, and Babs will ask you to demonstrate, is if you've got a presenter in the room. If Babs stands up and he's talking, you can't see him at all. And so we've reimagined what a video conferencing camera in your conference room can do with the Meeting Owl, and I'm going to switch to that right now. There we go. Doesn't that feel a bit better? So we're going to do a quick round of introductions, and then we're going to dive into the tech specs and answer some common questions. Can you get us started?
Sure thing. So hi, my name is Babs, and I'm a tech support specialist here at Owl Labs.
Hi everyone, my name's Sophia, and I work in marketing here at Owl Labs.
And my name is Ben, and I work in operations here at Owl Labs.
And I'm Karen. I work in sales and marketing here at Owl Labs. Great. All right, Ben, can you dive in and tell us about these two amazing products?
Absolutely. The Meeting Owl product line offers the smartest conferencing cameras in market. Our technology combines audio and video into one simple Wi-Fi connected device that allows you to have more engaging meetings for both participants in the room and who are remote. Our first generation Meeting Owl is really the most cost-effective solution for those immersive meetings in your huddle rooms and smaller conference spaces. But we completely reimagined our second generation Meeting Owl, the Meeting Owl Pro, to give it a 2 times sharper 360-degree camera with 1080p output resolution, a 2 times louder speaker volume, and smart mics with an 18-foot pickup radius. Both of these things are incredibly easy to use. You simply put them into the center of the table, plug in the USB and power cord, and connect to your favorite video conferencing software. And as you're seeing, what makes it unique is the Owl Intelligence System. This is how it learns who to look at in the room when they're speaking. So that, plus Wi-Fi connectivity and increased processing power, really opens the door for what we're calling the smart meeting room. And this is something that you can think about as just your meetings becoming more and more intelligent over time. To tell you more about that, I'm going to hand it off to Sophia.
Thanks, Ben. So, along with the Meeting Owl Pro, we're so excited to announce our smart meeting room ecosystem. And we really believe that this will truly reinvent how distributed teammates are able to collaborate in meeting rooms and huddle spaces going forward. And so through our new smart meeting room ecosystem, which is enabled by the Meeting Owl Pro, we're making a commitment to learn from our customers over time so that we can offer you new technology and new productivity tools to make your meeting experience even better. And this starts with smart zooming, which you're actually experiencing right now. So smart zooming, what it does is it helps crop meeting participants so that no matter where they sit in relation to the Meeting Owl, you can see them and you can hear them crystal clear. And then in the first quarter of 2020, we're planning on launching an IT analytics suite and fleet management tool so that you can get more out of your meeting spaces. And then later in 2020, we're going to introduce new technology to bring the meeting room and the whiteboard closer to the remote participant, as well as new meeting productivity applications. Our vision for the Meeting Owl Pro and the Smart Meeting Room is to help companies be productive no matter where their employees are located. Now I'm going to turn it over to Babs, our technical support specialist, so that we can answer some of the most frequently asked questions that we receive about the Meeting Owl.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us, Babs.
Happy to be here, Karen.
All right, first question. Do I have to change video conferencing platforms I'm using to be able to use the Meeting Owl?
Well, what I'll say is, that's a great question. The Meeting Owl Pro actually works with all major web-based video conferencing platforms and in-room systems that connect via USB. You plug it into your laptop or your in-room computer, and it serves as your camera, speaker, and microphone. No installations are required to get started. Just launch your video conferencing platform of your choice and select the Meeting Owl Pro as your camera and speaker, and you're ready to go.
Very exciting. Next question is, what kind of range do we expect from both these products?
That's a wonderful question. It's going to depend on which product you have. So the Meeting Owl is going to be perfect for smaller spaces, huddle rooms, and such, with a diameter of about 12 feet, where you're going to get this great audio and video quality. The Meeting Owl Pro takes that and extends it to about a 20-foot radius for 20-foot diameter, for larger boardroom meetings, executive spaces, and such.
That's wonderful. So I hope you've gotten the basics of what you need about both these products. If you have more questions, you can go to owllabs.com, where our team is waiting to chat with you, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for joining.
Good.